Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare ClickUp versus Monday versus Notion. We'll explore their core functionalities, helping you understand which platform best suits your project management and collaboration needs. ClickUp offers extensive customization, while Monday.com provides a highly visual interface. Notion, on the other hand, serves as an all-in-one workspace for diverse tasks. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of their strengths and ideal applications. When it comes to features, ClickUp truly stands out with over 100 unique functionalities, including custom statuses and advanced reporting. Monday.com simplifies workflows with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, offering more than 30 column types and over 200 templates. Notion provides unparalleled flexibility through its block-based editor, allowing users to build highly personalized pages and databases for any purpose. Considering pricing, ClickUp offers a free plan with limited features, and paid plans typically start around $7 per user per month. Monday.com also provides a free trial, with paid options generally beginning at $8 per user per month for basic functionalities. Notion includes a generous free personal plan, and team plans are available starting at $8 per user per month, offering substantial storage and collaboration tools. Ultimately, ClickUp is best for large teams or complex projects demanding deep customization and advanced features. Monday.com shines for teams prioritizing visual workflows, ease of use, and robust collaboration. Notion is the perfect choice for individuals or teams seeking a highly flexible, all-in-one workspace to manage notes, documents, and projects seamlessly. Choose the tool that aligns with your specific operational style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.